Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Activator. Many of my subscribers has commented that they are getting some error in this project which was create your own object detection model. So I am making a fresh video on that, and this time I hope it will work out for everyone. If even if you find any error, please write down in the comment and I will try to resolve it. So again, I'm going with the steps. I have already executed the command here and the code. So the first stage, I have just cloned the darknet into my Colab notebook and then enable the GPU and OpenCV setup, build the file, and then I have mounted my Google Drive here. As you can see, this Google Drive. Also the working directory at the beginning will be the content, where we can see that the folders we have are darknet, Google Drive and sample data. After that, this obj.zip will come later. So you can see that I have executed this symbolic link, and I have checked it what in the custom model folder what are the files there. So I have obj.data, obj.names, that zip file, script.py and custom cfg. In the previous video where you got some error, you got to know that we need these 4 or to 5 files, where this zip file has all the labeled images, this obj.data has the path where we have training data and where we want to take the backup of weighted file, and this obj.names as our class. So we are working on text block and conven, and this script file has the code to generate the relative path for training data, and in the YOLO v3.custom cfg we have changed the training parameters and some filters value. So once I have completed that part, I wrote these functions, and these functions are usually used for uploading the file and after prediction how it will going to show the pictures there. And then this was the error which most of you had got, that you were not working in the darknet directory, you were working at the home directory. So you just need to change your directory to the darknet and then start executing the commands. After moving to the darknet directory, I have copied my obj.zip, and as you can see it has been copied here, and then I have unzipped it to the folder that was inside the darknet. So inside darknet I have data, then obj, then all these files had been unzipped there. So once that file has been zipped, so we have moved our obj.zip file. Now we'll move our custom cfg file into cfg directory, obj.names and obj.data in our data directory of the darknet, and at the last we'll upload our script file also. So we have uploaded all the files which was present here to our cloud VM, and then we executed the script file and we checked out that the train.txt file has been generated. So we have all the prerequisites for our custom model ready. So now what we needed the pre-trained convolutional layer weights file. So I downloaded it, that darknet53.con.74, and after it has been downloaded, we will go with the training part. So we just executed the command, and please remember we are all executing these commands while we are in the darknet directory, not in the home. So from there I executed the command darknet detected train. We gave the path of the data file, then the path of the configuration file, and the path, and then the weighted file which we just downloaded. So once we downloaded, it will start our training process, and as you can see the training has been done in my system. I executed it for around 12 epoch only, because I already have the weighted file. So for as long as you have given the number of epoch, it will run the training process and you will get your weighted file. And as discussed earlier, you will get the weighted file here only, because in the backup in the obj.data we have mentioned backup equals to my drive custom model. So inside this folder we'll get our custom weighted file. And sometimes what happens that during the training process it crashes and your code block don't execute. So you don't need to retrain again. What you will do, so whatever the last weighted file you you got, you have to execute from that part. So if your collab crashes, please uncomment this and execute it, so it will start from the that epoch number which has been stopped. Okay, and for the testing, once you have completely trained your model and you got the YOLO v3 custom final weighted file, what you need to do, you need to change the this configuration file. So as you can see, this configuration file is not right now in the training mode, so we just need to uncomment the training mode and test it. So for that, this command has been written here. Execute this command and it will convert the configuration file into test mode. And then as you can see, I have run this detected command test data obj.data on the image which was present in my drive images, and here I have used my custom final weights. So once you run that command, it is going to load your weighted file. It has done the detection, and I have called the IMSO function with the prediction.jpg, and you can see the output here. So follow the code written here one by one, and I'm sure you will be able to execute in your system also. If you face any problem, please write down in the comment section and I will try to resolve it. Thank you for watching this, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.